What if you can stop crop residue burning? What if you can find out the adulteration in milk and dairy products? And what if you can turn your farming into a very profitable business? If the questions to all these things is yes, then we welcome you to DBS Global University, Dehradun, because agriculture here isn't confined to textbooks or classroom. Here our students, they work on GIS maps, they work on remote sensing, they fly the drones, and they work on AI tools which are available across the world, which are transforming the future of agriculture. Your classroom extends far beyond the campus into farms, orchards, and the advanced labs of research institutions across the state. Through field visits, real industry exposure, and partnerships with institutions like GBPUAT Pantnagar, CAP, FRI, and many more, learning becomes truly hands-on. Choose B.Sc Forestry if you are interested in outdoors, wildlife management, nature conservation, ecology, and all those subjects, along with if you are interested in preparing for the prestigious Indian Forest Services exams. All is here. So you graduate from here with real subject knowledge and industry level skills. So you can either be recruited by the leading business organizations, or you can take your pathway further to the higher institutions across India and abroad. Or you can also take your career with civil services. At Doon School of Modern Agriculture and Forestry, your future takes root.